What's up, YouTube? Today, looking at another 65 by GEC and Texas Osage orange wood. I picked up one of each. Well, actually, two of some of them because they were good prices. But I'm late on this video, so I don't know how much I really need to explain, but this is obviously orange Osage wood, I guess from Texas. I'm waxing her up really, really quick. Great piece. I think I might use, I have another one of these coming, I think I might use it. We'll see though. This is Renaissance wax. As you can see, it is not a small knife. GEC did a bunch of knives that were small, so I think this is a welcome change of pace. So close, we're looking at 4.5. I like the lanyard, it's different. Maybe let's use this one, I don't know. No blade wrap, I don't think. Oh, that's good. You know, I think I'm just gonna use this one. Good talk, guys. I'll use this one. This is stainless steel, not 1095. Which let's see, stainless. I don't really feel much one way or the other. I just really like how this looks. I think they really nailed it with this one. Would I rather have 1095? I don't know. But anyway, that's about all she wrote for this one, folks. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. There'll be more videos coming up. Have a good rest of your day. Bye now.